just so happy. It's a struggle, but y'all are struggling along with me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I run the blog called Mrs. Midwest. I am holding a bunch of supplies because we are about to do a get ready with me, specifically for church. I'm going to show you my makeup, we're going to go to church, probably spend some time with my husband, and then later tonight I want to make some soup. So yeah, just a really cozy, kind of quiet Sunday, and thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Alright, I have to do this in about 20 minutes because it's looking pretty snowy out there and I might have to walk to church, so we will see. But we're just going to go in with a lighter foundation. This is the CC cream. Going in with a damp beauty blender. So I've shown you guys I usually use my fingers. I've used foundation brushes in the past. Sometimes I'll use a beauty blender, and it's not like a day-by-day change, it's more like a seasonal change. I think a beauty blender is really wonderful because it's just so gentle on your skin, especially around the eye area. And it just blends everything, which I think I need better technique because I have freckles, and sometimes when I watch back my vlogs or videos, I'm like, Caitlin, that makeup! It's a struggle, but y'all are struggling along with me. I think that's as blended as it'll be. I don't want to put on a ton of foundation. You can see my neck is a similar color. It's looking a little whiter because I wear turtlenecks constantly. Now we're gonna go in with the eyelash curler. This is my eyelash curler I got from a Dollar General for $1. It works about as good as any other eyelash curler I've had. My eyebrows don't really need a ton of attention because I'm trying to go for a lighter brow now that it's winter, but I just use mascara in my eyebrows. I use the Stilettos mascara. I've been using this Essence Color Boost lip stain. It's cheap and I really like the color. I'll put that on there. And then I'll go in with the Milani, what is this? Milani number 3 lip liner. I want to show you guys. You should start overlining your lips, guys. Some of you have asked me if I've gotten lip injections, and the answer is no. I just have the lip injection of Milani lip liner. It's so awesome. Okay, now that it's winter, I have this Revlon 225 Rose Wine shade. It's a little harsh, so we're gonna go over it with a berry lip gloss. after. If I took the Pixie kind of like lighter shades, I kind of combine them. You're probably not supposed to do that, but I just wanted to like cover up again these freckles and lighten up my entire eye area. I like this for winter. I think it's a very open-eyed winter kind of look. I think it's really flattering. And yes, I like to keep my makeup pretty simple for church. I don't think church is really the time or the place to rock out a crazy outfit. I think it's more the time and the place to draw attention towards the Lord. So I do try to look nice, but not distracting. And that's the key. All right, I keep doing this, but one more. Oh, also update. So I used this Kat Von D tattoo liner in my last Get Ready With Me, and since then it has run out. So I bought the dupe that you guys suggested, the NYX. I called it NYX and you guys were like, no, it's NYX. This is really hard in front of a phone. I feel like that's as even as we're gonna get. Okay. Boom. This is my current makeup routine. I think I should put some blush on though. Well, so if we walk outside, my cheeks are gonna get pretty pink. So this is a gamble, guys. We're taking this cool toned. I've been told by the professionals at Sephora that I have a neutral skin tone, but then I hear other people saying that that's not a thing. So I've been trying cool tones lately with my paler skin. In the summer I wear warmer tones. I kind of like the cool tones. I think it's a nice change up to cool tones. So the funny thing about that is when I put my bangs up behind a headband when I'm doing them, they get all weird. So I have to go curl these. But this is my final makeup look. Just again, really simple. And now I'm gonna go put on my outfit, finish this bang curl, and then I'm gonna figure out if I can get out of the driveway in my car. Ready to go, and I just kind of pinned back on the sides of my hair. I added a lip gloss on top and I rolled down the turtleneck one level. It was a little too much turtle, not enough neck. So I'm gonna put on my coat, we're gonna head to church, and I'm not gonna talk to you guys at church because that would be weird, but I'll just kind of show you some of the ambiance of church. We'll be able to get through this level of snow. It's only a few inches and it's really fluffy, but it is so beautiful outside, and I even see the sun peeking through, and I'm just so happy. Oh, and I didn't mention this, but I am going to church by myself because my husband got home at 6 a.m. and he works again tonight, so he needs to get that sleep. So it's just gonna be you and me hanging out today at church. We made it! I was slipping and sliding all over the road and I had a hard time braking at stop signs, but we're alive and it's time to go in. darkness, my God, that is who you are. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you, I worship you. You are here. So nice outside, and church was so great just because I was able to sit by some people that I'm familiar with. And I talked after the service with this other woman. She's a mother of I think 4 or 5 children. We just had such a lovely conversation, and it really filled my soul up so much. And this weather, so nice. So I am gonna drive home now and then maybe see if my husband is awake, and if not, we'll see what we get up to. It'd be really great to show you guys what I wore, kind of explain it a little bit. So this is a thrifted navy blue turtleneck. I know it looks kind of black in the video. I got this dress online from modanisa.com and it is amazing. This is the first time I've worn it. I bought some clothing from modanisa.com and everything fits perfectly. I honestly started tearing up when I was pulling out the clothes from the packaging just because I don't buy brand new clothes very often, and it just felt like such a blessing. The colors were amazing. I tried to pick some more like feminine colors, feminine styles, but yeah, I'll link this below. Again, not an ad or an affiliate link, but just something that I love and I think is so pretty. So yes, I love it so much, and now I think I'm going to make some breakfast for my husband. He should be waking up soon. I hope we get to go for a walk this afternoon. So thanks for indulging me in my little fashion show. Something interesting just happened. I've never had this before, but we have 2 double egg yolk eggs. That's crazy. These eggs are now suspicious. I feel like it's kind of creepy to have double yolk. Come on. She cries when I crack eggs. I can't explain it. Also, getting these weird kind of eggs just makes me want chickens so badly. If we ever move, that's kind of my goal. I think I want to be a person who owns chickens and shares eggs with our neighbors, and yeah, hopefully that happens in the future. Okay, it's time for a family walk, and I have changed. So beautiful out. I don't know how long we're gonna walk for, but isn't the sun nice?
It is so nice. Welcome to the kitchen. My husband is at work and it is dark outside. So we've officially reached the tutorial portion of today's vlog. But today I have a very special recipe I'm going to share with all of you. It is the best soup, my favorite soup. I get rave reviews every single time I cook it. It's a Toscana soup. It is so simple. It has potatoes, sausage, bacon, onions, mushrooms, delicious, with a cream base, some chicken broth. It's very simple. I'm gonna batch bake that tonight because my husband likes to have portions of that soup for his lunches at work. But this recipe is just so good. I've shared it on Instagram a few times. Everyone who makes it loves it, so I thought I would bring it to all of you. And again, into something comfortable evening loungewear, feeling like it's time to finish this vlog. So honestly, the rest of my plans for tonight is to start editing this vlog. Actually, I usually go to bed around 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. just because I like to have a schedule that's more similar to my husband, because when I would go to sleep at 10 p.m. previously, I would wake up around 7 a.m. And that was only an hour after my husband got home, so we really weren't able to sleep next to each other for a lot of the week and cuddle. So now I go to bed really, really late. I do a lot of my blogging and video editing at nighttime. That's kind of where I usually like to end my vlogs, when it gets dark out, because nighttime is really when I get to just work on things. And that's kind of boring for you guys. I mean, I could set up my phone and show you all me typing and clicking away for hours and hours, but that's kind of boring. So that's what I will be doing tonight. But I just wanted to end the vlog with a thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I love these kind of slow times with you guys. If you are interested in some of the things I wore today, if it's not thrifted, I'll post a link, and I will also link all the makeup, the recipes, etc. And I also just want to say, you know, for my feminine family, my sisters in the audience who aren't Christian, but you know, you watched me go to church, I just want to say thank you for including me in your life. Thank you for hanging out. I really appreciate it. If you are interested in kind of what church is, what Christianity is, the gospel, any of that, I will leave some links below that have been helpful in my life. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. It really does help other feminine women find this content in our community. So thank you if you already have. I really appreciate it. Feel free to join the notification squad, subscribe to the channel, join the feminine family, check out my written blog, but I also have a vlog playlist if you're interested. Feel free to peek at that as well. But in general, I just hope you have a really wonderfully blessed and peaceful week, my beautiful sisters.